Yeah. Awesome. There it is, guys. Oh, look at that. So nice. That's what's up. Let's check out the welds on there. They all look pretty good. What you always want to check for is the welds. When you get something like this, you don't want to get it installed and then realize after it's defective. What up? Turn that out before I get copywritten. Alright, damn, what time is it? It is 7:17. I am about, where am I? Maybe about 20 minutes max away from my muffler shop that I usually go to. I've been going for half my life. You know, they do good service. They're got great reviews. Trying to get there early. They open at 8. Trying to be the first one. I'm one of the first ones because they're busy. They get packed. Last time I went there for a resonator delete like 2 months ago, it was like 2.5 hours wait, and I got there at 8:30, half an hour after. It just depends on the job they're doing, and you know, if they're just doing new tips or something, it's going to be a lot quicker. If they're doing a full exhaust or some kind of custom work, then it's going to take a while, you know, and I'm in line, and that's just is what it is. So that's why I'm trying to be first. It's Halloween, trying to be in and out. I guess there's some kind of block party going on my block. Like, I don't know how that works with COVID. I think they were just asking for like donations. They were making grab bags for the kids or something for like candy and snacks. And I think they said something about like being, you know, packaged stuff so that way they can wipe it down, sanitize it, and make like goodie bags, which is pretty cool. But I don't think anybody's like really socializing like a party. It's just like, I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm having family over, pizza, I don't know, chicken, family come over, hang out, maybe I'll barbecue, I don't know. And maybe watch a scary movie later tonight. So I'm trying to be in and out. I'm not trying to be there all day. But yeah, they get pretty packed. They're a pretty busy place. So I'm trying to be in and out and gone. Alright, so far so good. I only see one person right there. Sweet. Mustang right there. Neighbors are gonna hate me now. For anybody wondering, my setup just uses the Amazon Basics tripod stand. I don't think there, yeah, there it is. The name on it right there. And then a cheap little GoPro knockoff. And then I use my phone with this little mini tripod, and I kind of sit it under that tripod. So you'll see kind of two angles, one a little bit higher, one a little bit lower. So yeah, undisclosed road in Mexico. Got my little partner right there. What up? Had to bring the boys because I've been trying to do this footage for a couple weeks and I haven't had any time or anybody available when I did have the time. But anyways, yeah, let me know how it sounds. Like the video, subscribe if you like it. You know, you like this content, you like TZZ, you like Matrix, you like Corollas, you like cars. You know, I'm a man on a budget, but I'm having fun with it.